Welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to show you a more advanced integration scenario using HubSpot CRM with Webhook. Here is the scenario. When a contact is created in HubSpot, it sends a notification to the Cyclr platform. From there, a new contact is automatically created in your homegrown SaaS application. Once that's done, the integration sends feedback to HubSpot to create a task associated with the newly created contact. It may sound complex, but don't worry. We'll set it up together. First, let's configure the Webhook connection. Start by opening the basic settings of the HubSpot application connector in the Cyclr platform. Here, you'll find the Webhook URL that will receive notifications. Copy this URL, you'll need it for the next step. Now, go to the HubSpot Developers App dashboard and select the application you've linked to Cyclr. Navigate to the Webhook section and paste the Webhook URL into the target URL field. Next, create your Webhook subscription. Since we're working with contact, set the object type to contact, choose the listening event type created, and then activate the subscription. With the Webhook set up, let's build the integration workflow using the low-code design tool in Cyclr. Start by selecting the Webhook method, contact created under the HubSpot connector category. Then find the getContact method, which we'll use to retrieve the contact data. Connect these two steps in the workflow, ensuring the contact ID in the getContact method is mapped to the same field name in the Webhooks method. Now it's time to test the setup. Run the integration to start listening for events. Let's create a new contact in HubSpot. Within seconds, the workflow will receive the notification and fetch the corresponding data. Finally, check the audit log to review the process and confirm everything worked as expected. Let's continue building the remaining part of the workflow. First, we add the create contact method from the Sales SaaS connector and link it to the previous steps. This involves doing some simple data field mapping between HubSpot CRM and your Sales SaaS application. Now, to enable another automation, we'll add the create task method to the workflow. We'll configure the data mapping details to include feedback from the Sales SaaS application back to HubSpot CRM. As you can see here, Cyclr makes this process easy by auto-loading the relevant data for users to select, such as priority, status, and task type, simplifying the integration setup. Since tasks and contacts are related records, we'll take it a step further by creating an association specific to HubSpot CRM. In this step, we'll link the contact and task together. From object type is contact and the to object type is task. The associated object ID will be the task ID, which comes from the task created in the prior step. The association type is set to contact to task. Using this same mechanism, you can apply similar logic to create associations between contacts and companies or deals and contacts, giving you flexibility in how you link the HubSpot record through Cyclr platform. With everything now in place, let's see the final workflow in action. Let's create a new contact named Johnson in HubSpot. Behind the scenes, the integration immediately gets to work. Within moments, the new contact is successfully created in the Sales SaaS application. At the same time, a new task is automatically generated with the assigned data from the Sales SaaS application and seamlessly associated with the newly created contact in HubSpot. We hope you found this demonstration helpful and that it inspires you to create your own integration between HubSpot and your application. Thank you for watching, and we're excited to see what incredible solutions you build.